Hi everyone, welcome to HubSpeak, where we speak about HubSpot and related topics. Today we are going to talk about HubSpot Gmail add-on. To the discussion, I have with me Chamika, one of our developers from Sanmark Solutions. Hi Chamika.
Hello, happy to share how it works and why it matters.
Chamika, my first question for the day. What does this Gmail add-on do?
Yes, Ranga. Actually, this Gmail add-on connects your Gmail account with your HubSpot CRM. So you can use it for track your emails, and you can also use HubSpot tools right inside your Gmail. So actually, this HubSpot add-on stops you from switching between Gmail and HubSpot. You do not need to switch between apps again. You can use HubSpot tools right inside your Gmail.
Now, why use it instead of Gmail?
Yes, Ranga. The Gmail add-on from HubSpot actually gives you some extra features. You have so many advantages, but I can mention 4 main advantages using this add-on. First one is email tracking. You can track your email, whether your user opens the email or whether the user clicks the link that including your email. You can track this data, and those data are real time. You can track your email real time using this add-on. Also, the second advantage is you can log your emails. You can save your sent emails to your HubSpot contacts and deals objects. Third one is you can use HubSpot tools such as let's say your created custom email templates. Those things you can use right inside in your Gmail. Fourth one is the CRM sidebar. That's the most convenient thing, I guess. When you try to send an email to a contact or you try to send an email regarding a deal, you can access those data right inside Gmail as a sidebar.
Okay. Now, Chamika, can you tell me how to install this and how to connect this?
Yes, Ranga. First, you need to install the HubSpot Sales Chrome extension. That's the main thing that you need to install. You can install it by your Chrome web store. You can just simply search HubSpot Sales Chrome extension and you can install it. Then you need to go to your HubSpot account settings page, and there you can find an email option under the integration settings. You can also see the screen share that I am sharing right now. In there, you have to connect your Gmail account to your HubSpot. At that point, HubSpot asks some permissions to connect with your Gmail account. You just have to grant these permissions. That's all.
Chamika, now suppose that I am sending an email. Can you tell me how I can know if the receiver is opening my email or if he is clicking on the links that are there in my emails?
Yes, Ranga. You get a notification in your HubSpot account when a user opens your email. That's that convenient. And that data is real time. It means if I open the email you sent for me right now, you also get a notification at the same moment.
With this add-on, what tools are available for us to use within Gmail?
You can use, first of all, your email templates. As I mentioned earlier, you can use your created custom email templates right inside Gmail. And also, you can insert your meeting links to your Gmail content through this add-on. And also, you can attach documents that are in HubSpot to your Gmail content through this add-on.
That are already there in HubSpot?
Yes, that are already stored in HubSpot. You can just attach it to the Gmail body. And also, if you are on a paid plan, you can use email sequences to automate the follow-up process. That's only for paid versions right now, but that's another main advantage of this add-on.
Now, is this add-on free to use?
Yes, Ranga. Actually, the most of it are free, but there are some limitations also. You can use the tracking email, logging email, and also the templates, CRM sidebar. Those tools are totally free. But also the paid versions, the paid users get some more advantages. Like I mentioned in the previous question, you can use automate email sequences to automate your follow-up thread. That's another advantage. And also you can use payment links for the paid users. So yes, it's free, but if you are paying, you get more features. Additional features.
Now, who can benefit most from this add-on?
The people who sends regular emails can benefit from this. Let's say sales reps, account managers, and even you as a client relationship manager can benefit from this. This tool helps you to reduce your time, and also you can track who engage with your messages.
What about the privacy and security while we are using this add-on?
That's a great question, Ranga. As I said earlier, when you are trying to connect the add-on to the HubSpot, it asks permission for read, send, and also track your emails. So it has those permissions. But you control what emails are logged into the HubSpot. That's on your control. And also you can revoke those permissions whenever you feel from the settings page.
Now, suppose that I am in Gmail. Can I view my HubSpot contact details while I am in Gmail?
Yes, Ranga. You can see your contacts profile as a CRM sidebar right inside your Gmail. It contains the contact profile, its company details, and also the associated deal details also.
Chamika, my last question for the day. Can you suggest me any best practices that you can suggest for anyone who's using this add-on?
Yes, Ranga. My first best practice advice is to track only important emails, because as I said earlier, you get notifications whenever you track an email. Whenever the user opens it, you get a notification. Too many notifications is distracted, you know that.
Yeah.
So only track important emails and use templates for sending emails. When you install this add-on, you get the feature to access all the custom created templates right inside your Gmail. So use those resources. And also, if you are attaching meeting links, documents, such things, please update those, because if you are sending an outdated meeting link to a client, you know that is not the best practice.
Yeah.
And the last one is clean up your CRM sidebar, because too much information is too much information. You get distracted, and that is not a best practice. Those are the points that I would like to share with the audience.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yes.
Thank you, Chamika, once again for your clear and on-the-spot answers.
Thank you, Ranga, and you are also welcome.
Thank you for tuning in. If you find this video helpful, you can like, share, and also you can subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have more questions, we are happy to answer.